Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to track your RIA money transfer. Whether you're the sender or the recipient, it's easy to check the status of your transfer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to RIA Money Track Transfer. Step 2. On the tracking page, you'll see a field labeled Order Number or PIN. Enter the PIN or order number provided to you after the transaction. Step 3. After entering your details, click the Track Transfer button. Step 4. You'll now see the current status of your transfer, such as in process, ready for pickup, or delivered. Bonus tip. If you don't have internet access, you can also track your transfer by calling RIA's customer service or visiting a RIA location with your transaction details. And that's how you track your RIA money transfer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!